Hi guys, welcome to this computer. We are going to test the scripts to build an ISO, a Kiro ISO to be more particular. Where are we? Right? If you look like this, you think I'm just on my chat WM. Right mouse click. But this is CachyOS. Can we build? There we go. Can we build the Kiro? Okay, that's something else. Can we build to GitHub? And then Kiro, I was thinking, what was the name again, right? Kiro dupes, Kiro ISO, either this one straight to there, or just remember Kiro project. And we're from Belgium, where the best chocolate is from. Build your own ISO. That's what we're going to explain you on something else than Arch, on something else than Kiro. CachyOS. This is what we need, only this line. Copy this thing, go to the desktop, for example. The desktop is where I work always. This one can go. And then git clone, control that one. Oops, again, let's do that again, control C. Ah yeah, I see. So the second line, I will just remove it from the website. It confuses the thing, and doing it twice, git clone Erik, is not a smart wing thing to do. So again, Control Shift V. This one needs to be removed. It makes it easier for us. This is actually good without Git. It's going to work as well. And this is what we need to run. Build scripts. Is this going to work on CachyOS? That's it. Technical thing is this. Then you sit back. Let's see if that works on CachyOS. CachyOS has, of course, the advantage. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. How many lines we have here? Pure Arch and CachyOS is a big difference. We have core, extra, multilib, Kiro repo now, Nemesis repo, chaotic AOR, CachyOS. Right, enough lines. And even now I don't have the version 3, version 4, which I could have of CachyOS. And only 305 packages need to be installed. But this is just an error from 404, you know the name, right? It's not accessible, it's not there. It just goes down the list of other CachyOS servers and it goes on. That's the point of redundancy, I guess, of having more servers than just the one. And this is what we need, right? One of those things will happen. There are different systems in play. A package is downloaded from one of those guys, from here or from here or from here or from here, which is going to battle against other packages that exist, that were in the var cache, which is basically the cache where it keeps everything in. And it says the signing and the package do not correspond. All you need to do, arrow up, enter. Solved. Arrow up means previous command, basically type it again, but who types it again if you know that arrow up is going to get the new one. And the conflicts, right? The files that were conflicting are now just, they were removed and they are going to be downloaded again. Done. And if you give up and you say, okay, an error, bah, stupid system, right? Stupid computer, stupid Erik. Arrow up, enter. It has to do with the package and the signing key, and those two do not correspond. Pacman throws it out, you install it again. Basically, package comes in, keys comes in, matches, go. That's all. Everything boils down to knowledge. Maybe patience and perseverance. Why is this happening? And off it goes, building our ISO. So let's stop here. If anything does happen, I'll make another video, solve the issue. But once you get here, it's basically the internet. You need to download it, and then everything is gonna work just fine. You'll get an ISO. It's gonna go in your home directory. Right? It's gonna put something in here, and off you go. CachyOS, building Kiro ISO. Easy go.